Hi everyone. Today our topic is finding square of the numbers which are very nearest to 500, 5,000, 50, 50,000, 5 lakhs like that. So for this section we have to master squares up to 20 or 25. So I taken three categories. One category is numbers are very nearest to 50. Another category Another category is number nearest to 500, number nearest to 5,000. After watching this video, you can able to solve numbers very nearest to 50,000, 5 lakhs directly. Let us start with one example here. So I taken here 48 whole square. So whatever number you are taking in this category, we have to compare with 50. So if you compare 48 with 50, it is 2 less than the 50. Come to second example, it is 4 greater than the 50. And this 66 is 16 greater than the 50. All are these numbers are called deviations. Okay. So we are denoting deviation with small d. Now, see, when we are finding square of the number very nearest to 50, answers are in two parts. Answer are in two parts. One will be right part, one will be left part. In the left part, we are adding or subtracting the deviation to the 25. Why? Because if you see here, this one is negative deviation, this one is the positive deviation, and this is the positive deviation. Whatever deviation you got, you are just adding or subtracting from the 25. And here in the right part, we are finding the square of the deviation. And remember one thing, in the right hand part, we have only two fixed places. Extra place digit will carried over to the left hand side. You can easily understand by the examples. Let us see now. So here my deviation is negative 2. So we have to subtract that negative 2 from 25. After that, we have to square the deviation. Then you are getting here 23 in the left part. And if you find the square of negative 2, then it is 4. You see, now I am writing 0, 4. Why? Because I have two fixed place in the right hand part. So this is the my final answer. So come to next example. Here our deviation is positive. So we have to add 4 to the 25, and we have to find positive deviation, that is plus 4 square. Then you are getting here 29. 4 square is nothing but 16. We are getting exactly 2 digit. So the final answer will be 2916. So come to this example. Here deviation is positive. So we have to add the positive deviation to the 25. After that, we have to find 16 square in the right hand part. So finally, we are getting here 41 and 256 we are getting. So we cannot write 256 in the two places. So I'm writing first 256. The extra digit, the last digit will be carried over and added to the 41. So then the finally we are getting here 4, 3, 5, 6. We are fixing first two places here. So the final answer is 4,356 in this case. So come to numbers nearest to 500. So in this case also we are getting positive, negative deviations. Whatever deviation you are getting, just you add it and subtract it from the 250. And after that, square the deviation. And remember one thing, In this case, the number of places are 3, are fixed. Why? Because 500 is a 10 times of 50. So let us find out the deviations. So here deviation is -4. Here deviation is +18. Here deviation is -25. So now we have to subtract 25, sorry, 4 from the 250 and find the square of -4. So then we are getting here 246, and -4 square is nothing but 016. Why? Because we have 3 places. So the final answer this only. So come to next example here. So here positive deviation is there. So that is the reason we are adding to the 250 and finding 18 square. So if you add 18 to the 250, then you are getting 268, and 18 square is nothing but 324. Exactly 3-digit answer is came in the right hand part. So this is the my final answer. So come to this example. So we have to subtract from 250 and 25 whole square. So now we are getting here 225, and -25 whole square is nothing but 625. You can see again I got 3-digit answer in the right hand part. So this is the my final answer. So come to third category. In this category we are comparing a number with 5,000. So in this case also we are getting positive division, negative deviation. So whatever deviation you are getting, just you add or subtract from 2500. So, and deviation square. Here the number of places will fixed. Can you guess? Yeah, now it is 4 places. In this case, the come to example. In this case, -3 the deviation, and in this case, yeah, let me change this answer. That means I'm writing this number 5090. Okay. Why? Because video become a lengthy. That is the reason I'm changing the question. So here deviation is positive 19. In this case, positive 100. Now see, we are subtracting -3 from the 2500 and finding -3 whole square for the right hand part. So 2497. If you find the square of the -3, it will be 0009. Why? Because we have 4 places. So I written in the form of 4 digits. So this is the our final answer. Come to this question. So we are adding 19 to the 2519 square. So finally we are getting 2519, and 19 square is nothing but here 361. But we are writing in the form of 4 digits. So 0361 is the my final answer. So come to the third question here. This is very important now. See. So I'm adding deviation to the 2500 and I'm squaring the deviation here. So then I got 2600, and if you square the number, then you are getting 10,000. How much you are getting? 10,000. You can see 10,000 have 5 digits. So extra digit will be carried over. First 4 digit will be fixed and extra digit is carried over. Then you are getting 2601 and 4 zeros will be fixed. So I'm writing this one. So in this way you can find the square of the numbers. See, in this video I'm not discussing the reasons why we are taking 25, 250, 2500. Not I am discussing in this video. In the next video I will definitely discuss about the reasons why, because I'm going to start a new course on Vedic mathematics through YouTube. So please subscribe and stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.